Hey guys, it's Heather and I am here to make Twilight Wood soap. I am making it in my round PVC pipe mold. I am using a purple pigment, a neon purple pigment, and a little bit of titanium dioxide for my colorant. And this is going to be a cream soap. I already have my kale and clay in my oils. Just making sure I get all of my lye water out. I made another soap earlier and I wasn't thinking, and I put my cream in with my oils before I poured my lye in, and that was not a good idea. You usually get a false trace when you do that, and I wasn't thinking at all. So I had to mix and mix and mix and mix and mix just to be positive everything was doing what it needed to do. Adding my cream in. Okay, next up, I have it at a very light trace just above emulsification, and I'm going to trade it off. Get my fragrance oil. And I'm going to pour all of my fragrance oil into my bigger container because it is going to turn a tan color, which is perfect. I said I was doing Twilight Woods. It's not. It's brown sugar and fig. I don't know why I said Twilight Woods. It's going to turn a bit of a tan color, so I want to only color that one portion so that my purple stays nice and beautiful and bright. Just hand mixed that in just a little bit. I'm going to pour my purple in here and blend it up. I'm going to have to get a new little coffee frother because mine is very tired and a little wonky right now. But I use it all the time. He's still pulling his weight in the soap studio, just a little older, kind of like me. Okay, and mix this in real quick just to get it started. And then I will whip it up. And it probably wouldn't have hurt this to have the fragrance in it. Like the tan of it would just darken the purple a bit, but I just want to keep it a nice bright. I'm also going to stir out any bubbles that were kind of mixed into it. And let's pull our main batch over. I'm going to add a tiny bit of titanium dioxide to it. Not a ton, just a little bit. There wasn't much left in my little container. Okay. And I'm going to do a little something different this time. I'm going to pour it right down the middle like so. And we will see what that does when we pour it into the mold. Going to try and not mess this up. There we go. And shake it down just a little bit. Let me grab my little square mold. And I will scrape this down and I will be back for you guys with the cutting. I will see you then. Bye guys. Hey guys, I am so sorry I forgot to show you the cutting of this one. I didn't mean to. Here's the mold. It did leak a tiny bit, but that's why I put the little baggie on the bottom. And then this is the silicone that I just rolled right off of it. It's actually a little cutting board. And this is what the cutting looks like. It turned out really, really pretty. And because I kind of wiggled it as I was pouring it with the stripe down the middle, it swirled it a bit. And the swirl changes as we go through. Set all these back here. And it looks a little pink right now, but what it will do is it will change back to more purple. And the yellowy part will turn more brown. So it'll be that brown sugar and fig coloring. Because you can see it here. This is the bottom piece. You can see how this is turning back to purple. And as the air gets to the yellow portion, that will turn more brown.